So similar for question 5 really then. Look, why don't we just tap this straight in the calculator? And if I do, and I'm just doing it right now while I'm talking, if I do tap that all into the calculator, then it gives me, it's not quite worked, does it? That's what I was thinking. Now we can see that that's going to give us minus 432, can't we? But then you've got this horrible little decimal bit to work with there. So look, what I'd suggest is, why not just add the 432? Let's get rid of that real bit there. Now, when I'm looking at that, and we know it's going to have something to do with root 3's in it, so why don't we just divide that by root 3 and see if we can spot what it's going to be. Yeah, it's going to need to be root 3i to get rid of the I as well. 144. So we can spot that it's 144 root 3 i's there just by playing about on the calculator there. Okay, so how do they really want us to do it? They really want us to do it again by switching this into its modulus argument form. So the modulus of that is going to be root 12, so that's 3 root 2 root 3. And the argument of that is going to be pi over 6. And we're doing all of that to the power of 5. Now, that to the power of 5 is giving us, well, it's giving us 243. Actually, no, it's not, is it? Because that's going to come from the other bit. Okay, I'll just ignore that for a second. So if I'm going to do 2 root 3 to the power of 5, then that's giving me 288 root 3's. And then I'm getting cos 5 pi over 6 plus I sine 5 pi over 6. And so that is 288 root 3 lots of cos of pi 5 pi over 6 is root 3 over 2, and it's negative. And then the sine of 5 pi over 6 is just a half. And then, so there's the root 3's times by that. So it's 144. 144 times 3 is minus 423. That's right there then. And then half of 288. Half of 288 is 144 root 3i. So we can do it in this way here with the power, or we just tapped it in the calculator as well. But it's nice to show you that we can do it both ways.